Have you ever wanted to create a hilarious, exaggerated caricature of yourself? Well, now you can. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform any photo into a fun caricature style using Midjourney. It's surprisingly simple, and I'll give you all the tips and tricks you need. I'll walk you through several methods, so make sure to watch until the end to learn every insider technique. First, head over to the Midjourney website. Click on the tiny image icon at the top to upload your chosen picture. I'll select this one right here and click Add. After the image uploads, click on it again. Then go to the bottom icon and switch it to the profile icon. Once you've done that, it's time to work on the prompt. It's a very simple prompt that describes a typical political caricature, but the style is quite unique, as you'll see soon. Next, go to the settings and make sure the style is set to RAW, and then click Enter. I'll just click on the brush icon so I can see all my generated images. And there you go, these are the results. This prompt creates like a beauty style of caricature. And this style has a big head, but it's not as disfigured as other types of caricature. But don't worry, there's still 2 more styles to try. Now, let's make the next style. We're gonna use a different prompt to change the style. I will also add --CW75 to reduce the character reference so the prompt will be more pronounced. Then I'll go to the settings and switch from RAW back to standard mode and generate. These ones have a more disfigured look. You can see her huge face and tiny hands. It looks really great, especially because it doesn't disfigure the face as much as some caricatures do, yet you still get that caricature-like look on the character. The third prompt I'm going to show you is slightly different. I'll further reduce the character reference to --CW50 because I want the caricature look to really show this time. Then I'll go to the settings and increase the stylization to 350, and I'll click Enter. This result this time shows that if you want Midjourney to pay attention to your prompt, you have to reduce the character reference. Even though the character won't look exactly like the reference image, the face will still have a similar structure. That's the whole point of a caricature. I really like this style, especially this portrait right here. She looks so good, so I'm going to save it. That is how you can turn your images into caricature art with Midjourney AI using prompts. If you like this video and want to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.